I would like to say that we have been since day one with the Baterbonia and Adili families.
Sa libing ni Rene noong June 24, kabilang sa itinangis ng nanay nito na si Robilyn ay ang wala umanong opisyal ng Ateneo de Manila University ang humingi sa kanila ng paumanhin sa nangyari sa kanyang anak noong isinagawa ang team building activity sa Dipakulaw, Aurora noong June 8. Nitong Biyernes, nilinaw ni ADMU President Roberto Yap na personal siyang nakiramay at tumingi ng tawad sa pamilya Baterbonia noong ibinurol ito sa isang funeral home sa Quezon City.
On the day that Mrs. Baterbonia and Mr. Baterbonia arrived on June 9, after the incident, after the tragedy, I was there at Arlington. I met the mother and I met the father. I was there in the room when the first time that they saw their son. I was there.
Sinabi rin ni Yap ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nakapunta sa burol at libing ni Rene sa Talacogon, Agusan del Sur.
When Bobet was brought to Davao for the wake, there was a representative from Ateneo de Manila present during the whole wake. During the funeral in Agusan, I could not go because I was being subpoenaed. So the Vice President for Basic Education, a Jesuit, was there, plus another official representative from Ateneo, again to express our condolences, our support, and that we are there for them. We have been there since day one.
Bukod sa pamilya Baterbonia, patuloy din ang kanilang pakikipag-ugnayan sa pamilya ni Divine Adili. Inihayag din ng presidente ng universidad ang dahilan kung bakit hindi nakarating sa Pilipinas ang magulang ni Divine.
First, we asked the father to come, but he said he could not come and he did not pass. We had passport problems, but the uncle was able to come to pick up the body. And I spoke to the uncle who came, was a friend of Divine. They were talking regularly, and I condoled, I apologized to him, etc.
Pagtitiyak ng pamunuan ng Ateneo na patuloy ang gagawin nilang pagtulong sa mga naulila ng dalawang basketballista. Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.